Level 1 Beginner. Lesson 64 Writing a short paragraph. The Vasa family is planning a small garden party. Sachi wants to write a short paragraph about the preparations for the party. Arav is helping her. They are practicing simple sentences to describe what they are doing. Grammar tip. A paragraph is a group of sentences that talk about one main idea. Each sentence should be simple, clear, and related to the topic. Use connectors like and, but, then, or to join ideas. Sample paragraph. Sachi writes, Today we are preparing for a garden party. We clean the garden and put flowers on the table. Arav sets the chairs. We prepare drinks and a cake. We invite our friends. Then we play music and enjoy the party. Interactive exercise. Now it's your turn. Write a short paragraph about your school, home, or a party. Use simple sentences and vocabulary you know. Fill in the blanks. We for a garden party. Prepare sleep. Answer. We prepare for a garden party. The flowers on the table. R is. Answer. The flowers are on the table. Arav the chairs. Set sit. Answer. Arav sets the chairs. We drinks and a cake. Prepare eat. Answer. We prepare drinks and a cake. Then we music and enjoy. Play sleep. Answer. Then we play music and enjoy. Tips for beginners. Keep your sentences short and clear. Use words you know well. Practice writing every day. Wrap up. If you liked this lesson, please like, share and subscribe.